Hi, this is Victoria with healthmanifested.com, and I'm here to talk to you about Jupiter in Sagittarius. And Jupiter in Sagittarius can be very inspiring and very inspirational. This is where we want to make big things happen and go on new adventures. And this placement can be overly confident and feel like they know it all or have seen it all. It can have big opinions, and it's important for this placement to remain open to realizing that they don't know it all. And the question that this placement asks is really, what do you believe in? And also, oftentimes people with this placement, they really don't like to have boundaries or restrictions or kind of being told what to do. They really like to have their freedom. And with this placement, we're being asked to believe in what we don't see and believe in something bigger than ourselves. And that's my analysis of Jupiter in Sagittarius.